Hey, how's it going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unlimited Snapchat Snap Score, guys, for absolutely free. I know how crazy that sounds, but trust me, in this video, I will show you step by step. Works for both Android and iOS devices, remember that. I will show you step by step how you can get unlimited Snap Score in Snapchat, guys, using this really cool new app that I found, Snapchat Plus Plus. Basically, once you download the Snapchat Plus Plus, I will show you on later in the video, you can just click on add and it will add so much Snap Score, you won't even know what to do with it. You can go on and flex to your friends. You're gonna basically have the most snap score without even sending a single snap. So a lot of people want a high snap score, but they don't want to do the constant daily of sending snaps to everyone, which I admit is kind of boring. So that's why I decided to record a video and show you guys how to get unlimited snap score with just a few clicks, guys. It's just insane. It's only gonna take you a few minutes, and without me talking or just dying and waiting to see, that's why you clicked on the video, how to get unlimited snap score. So guys, let me just get straight into the tutorial, show you guys what you need to do before you get unlimited snap score. So guys, let's go into the video. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you this on my iOS device, but as I said in the intro, remember this works on both Android and iOS devices, so don't worry about that. You can just follow along and everything will be basically the same. So guys, here is how the app will look like. It basically is the normal Snapchat logo, it just says Snapchat Plus Plus, and here let me go ahead and open up Snapchat. As you can see, I already have snap score 4657, but basically as you can see, there's a little add button here, and once I click on this add button, as you can see, 400,000 will be added to my account, or rather 100,000. So as you can see, this is just absolutely insane. You can keep on clicking add and you can get unlimited snap score, guys, for absolutely free. Like, it's absolutely insane how this works. So let me just go ahead and close that. We don't need that anymore. So the first thing that you're going to want to do in order to get this app is go into settings, scroll all the way down to general. In here, make sure you click on background app refresh twice and just make sure that it's on. Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data works, like it's fine, whatever one you choose, just make sure that it's on. After you've done that, guys, you can go all the way back to settings, and once you're here, you can go down and scroll to battery. In here, you just need to make sure that low power mode, guys, is disabled. So make sure the icon is black and not yellow. Make sure it's disabled. After you've done that, guys, the left step in settings is go into App Store. In here, you just need to make sure that automatic downloads is on, guys. So make sure that it's on, so you can actually install the app. So let me just go ahead and close that. And first thing that you're gonna need to do is just go into the browser of your choice. I have Safari because I'm on iOS. And here you're just gonna need to type in apptab.co. So guys, if you want, pause the video, slow down the video just to follow along each and every step with me. That's apptab.co, not com, that's co. So once you've done that, go ahead and click on next, and now it's going to take you to this side. Once you're on this side, guys, as you can see, there are a bunch of cool apps and modded versions, apps, games, mod menus, hacks, whatever you want to call it. But for now, we're only interested in Snapchat Plus Plus, so go ahead, click on the search bar and type in Snapchat, and as you can see, oh, not Snapchat. As you can see, Snapchat Plus Plus will automatically appear. Just go ahead and click on download, and then click on install. Basically, what this is going to do, it's going to prepare you for your final step, and it's going to get all of your files ready. Don't worry, it's going to pop up a little thing that's going to say process aborted, but don't worry, I'll show you what you guys need to do after that happens. As you can see, it's going to say additional files downloaded, and now it's going to download May files. It's here. As it says process aborted, guys, don't worry, don't panic. Basically, this is meant to happen. All you have to do is just click on verify and follow the next step. It should take only like a few minutes. Basically, what it does is just to prove that you are human, so the site doesn't get botted as much. So guys, that's pretty much it. After you've done that, and after a quick restart of your phone, Snapchat Plus Plus will automatically start downloading, and depending on your Wi-Fi, it will download either really fast or really slow. So guys, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.